Domo arigatou gozaimasu. Oh, I got some green tea for free. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm at one of Japan's most iconic castles, Kumamoto Castle. This building has been here for a couple centuries now, and it just showcases that resilience and strength from the samurai era. After here, we're going to be going to Sakura no Baba. It's a traditional village with food, treats, and lots of shops. So today we're going to get a mix of history, culture, and of course some food. But before all that, let's do a quick little walk around here and see what they got. Fine. So I mentioned the strength and resilience of this castle. It's gone through quite a few of history events, like it actually burnt down at one point, got rebuilt, and then the 2016 earthquake happened and a lot of damage happened in the area. Restoration is still ongoing, but just from first impressions, it's really, really stunning. Like when you walk here, it's as if you walked into a different era. This place is actually bigger than I thought. There's like all these hallways with lots of history, I guess old parts of the building from years past. And this is only the second floor. Looks like we got some handwritten letters from Hosokawa Tadaoki. Now that's what I'm talking about. Real genuine samurai armor. I'm not sure who these people are, but there's a bunch of like pictures here and signatures. I can only assume they donated to the restoration here. But this guy, he looks like he used to play, or looks like he plays for some baseball team. That building right there is still under restoration from the earthquake, I believe, but just imagine like you're just a shogun chilling up here, watching our land. Life is good, you know. So that was the castle. I've only been to 2 castles here in Japan, Osaka Castle and now Kumamoto Castle. I think I like the top floor of Osaka Castle better, but the exterior of Kumamoto Castle kind of stole my heart. So a little bit of a tie going on right now, but if we go to another castle together, we'll see if that tie breaks. Anyways, let's go to our next spot right now. Luckily, I read this sign because if I didn't watch, I was gonna be hitting my head really bad. Just look at this, y'all. They made this really nice like walkway connecting the castle to Sakura Baba. Like how convenient, how nice. And then you also get a really nice view of the castle from here. All right, y'all, so this is our next spot, Sakura no Baba Josaian. Sorry if I butchered this last part, but Sakura no Baba. That's kind of a funny. Looks like we found the village. All right, I'm excited. Let's get some food. I have no idea what this is, but I want to give it a try. すみません。はい。何ですか？これはですね、福引券っていうのがあって、福袋を買っていただくか、商品買っていただくと、チケットが残ってれば1000円ごとに。Okay. So, 現金。Oh, where can I buy? Over here or here? Oh, okay. Ticket over there? Oh, okay, okay. Which shop? ごめんなさい。Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you. Alright, we'll come back for this then. Apparently you gotta buy a ticket at one of the shops over here. So it looks like outfits for kids here, and then if you wanna dress up in a kimono or even samurai outfit, you can rent them here. But yeah. First impressions of this place, looks really nice. It smells really good too, with all the food that they're cooking on the streets. Like, looks like they got some corn dogs here. This right here, if I'm not mistaken, is actually horse meat, and it's really popular in Kumamoto. Give it a try. Looks like it's 600 yen for 2 pieces. Hello? Oh. We got our slip, and then should be giving our change. Oh, okay. Thank you. Oh, すごい。ありがとうございます。Alright. So, we got it, y'all. Alright. So, one of the challenges when you're solo traveling is not finding a place to eat, but I had to put the camera on this ledge right here. But this is what it looks like. Let's finally give this a try. Our horse meat. Again, it's really popular here in Kumamoto. The best way to explain what it tastes like is it's just gamey and a little bit lean meat, right? But it's pretty good. And just so you know, this is actually raw meat. Let's try the second one. My old nomadic Turk ancestors are probably super happy now that I tried some horse meat. Alright, let's see what else we can find together. You know, I'm glad he gave me this map. It kind of gives me like an idea of what to try next. We're gonna try this Kumamoto style dango. Apparently it's around here somewhere. Hi. Did you see the camera? People tend to stare when I have this camera on me. That's so cool. What you doing out here? Just traveling? Oh, okay, okay.
We are exchange students.
Ah, cool, cool, cool. Oh, これお願いします。So, oh, どうもありがとうございます。Alright, y'all, we got the goods. Oh, it's warm too. Alright, so it's apparently sweet potato dango, and the outside is usually like a, what is it? The outside is usually like a mochi kind of style, but I believe the sweet potato on the inside is like a Kumamoto style. Anyways, smells good. Let's give it a try. I'm shocked how much I really like this. The mochi is like sweet, and then the sweet potato adds to it, and then there's like a little bit of cream as well. Good job, Kumamoto. This one also caught my eye. It smells really good, and I'm gonna get them on with chocolate. Chocolate, onegaishimasu. So, thank you. Otsukaresama. All right, y'all. We got the goods. I don't know what it is with this bear, but he just makes everything look appetizing. I'm sorry I have to do this to you, but I love chocolate, so a pancake with chocolate inside, it just hits a spot. But it's so warm and just smells so good. Honestly, I'm still shocked by how everything in Japan just has that quality. It's hard to find like something that you're just like, oh, I don't like this at all. Oh, they got water bottles shaped like the Kumamoto Castle. Okay, I guess that's a nice little souvenir. Oh, I learned today that this is like some kind of lion dancing here in Japan. If you know what it is, let me know in the comments below. What do you think? Do you think this would look good in my hair? and my cute little anime girl now. Oh, どうもありがとうございます。Oh, I got some green tea for free. I was just checking out the matcha and he gave me some green tea for free. Very nice of him. Perfect. All right, this is where I'm gonna end the video today. I was trying to find that lottery thing where I could spin the ball earlier in the video, but I just couldn't find it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the castle. I hope you enjoyed Sakura no Baba. I had fun. I'll see y'all in the next one. Please make sure you like and subscribe.